200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brakes up. Pressure's normal.
Tower 1675, no final.
Manual braking.
Heavy south, minute 2309, clear the line for like 248.
Auto brake disarm, sure.
4 over 1675.
60 knots, sure.
Coming 411, keep turning right on the Delta, contact ground 1219.
Return on the Delta 219, 70411. Ground, Sunwing 411, Charlie 4, turning right on Delta.
Sunwing 411 ground, taxi Delta 4 Delta, cross runway 33 right, hold short Bravo for now.
Delta cross 33 right, hold short Bravo, Sunwing 411.
Check short Bravo, thank you.
Ground Grenade was hit 250 Victor, short Buckshot. Watch the 250 Ground Grenade, runway 248, Data Lima, altimeter 29er 93.